Alrighty guys, the race season is over. It's November, it's cold outside, can't be driving an open car, so sounds like it's build season again. I've got lots of big plans for this beast right here. I started taking it apart and I'm realizing, oh yeah, I should probably record everything. So she's got some wear and tear, but we're in the garage. We're going to take it apart. We're going to jump into a time-lapse where I get it winter ready, put it up on the jack stands, and get everything going. So let's jump into that.
Best to give me that loyalty. Best to give me that loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Oh, there we are. Goblin is stripped down. It's ready to build. I've got some big plans for it. We got a standalone ECU. I should probably stay in the light. Got a standalone ECU that I'm going to install. I'll show that off in a future video. I have a spare engine that I picked up. So this one, even though it's all built, we're not afraid to torture it. And I sent the head from the spare engine to get ported from Cat 5 Portworks. Shout out to Josh Bilheimer, awesome service. He's got always available, always answering my questions, so that's exciting news. Got the side panels off for some new skin next year. We're gonna wrap it in a custom designed race car style livery. Seats out, it looks like the kit was never done, but we got some big plans and we'll jump on that in some future videos. If you like the content, tell me what more you want to see. I like doing the time-lapse stuff. I'm not great at talking to the camera, so I need to work on it. But if you like this video, please hit the like, maybe subscribe, share it with your friends and family. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.